Hazrat Ibn Tha'alaba Khushani radiyallahu anhu states that he visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we reside on the land of the people of the book and eat in their vessels. I hunt with my bow and I hunt with my trained and untrained dogs. Tell me which of the game is lawful for us. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, as for your mentioning about your dwelling on the land of the people of the book and eating in their vessels, do not eat in their vessels if you can find vessels other than theirs. But if vessels other than theirs cannot be found, wash them and eat in them. As for your mentioning about living in a hunting region, when you hunt with your bow, pronounce Allah's name on it and then eat it. Recite Bismillah on the game you find hunted by your dog and eat it. If you find the game hunted by your dog alive, consume it after slaughtering it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4960.